It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the bucket wheel excavator. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? The track is broken. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Excellent. Wonderful. Install the parts in the matching silhouette. Dents, let's level them out. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. That's great! Use a hammer to level out the dents. You're so smart. Perfect! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going! That's it! There's something wrong with the wires. Use a hammer to break the locks. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. That's great! Plug the wire into the right place. Hard. Triangle. 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 Star. Square. That's it! All done! Now help to assemble Bucket Wheel Excavator. I knew you could do it! Let's improve the car!